Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with the first video of 2025. Yes, guys, how are we doing today? Well, let's get into this video, and I want to tell you guys why it took so long to come back, what's been going on, and what's going to be going on for the future of our channel. So let's just get into it right now. This is a quick weave pixie cut mullet with me right now installing the lace closure. This is just to watch me work, nothing really much going on here. If you're willing to learn something, you could always go back on my channel, scroll through. If it's your first time here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is how-to tutorials, unboxings, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. Just hit that subscribe button, join the squad, take anything you would like and add it to your own technique. And I'm here to help you in all of your endeavors. Happy New Year's, guys. I'm glad to be back. So what I'm doing, I'm using 27 pieces. I think this is 29 pieces with 10-inch hair. I have a more in-depth video of how I do my Mohawk pixie cuts, how I glue them in. So if you want to know how to do that, I'll probably leave it down below for the next video, but you guys will definitely be able to see how to do that. Guys, I also have in-depth videos on how to cut these styles also. Please remember to leave a like on this video. It will help me to get my video out there. So y'all, I just finished the clipper action. Right now what I'm going to do, she doesn't want it too curly, she just wants it to the point where it will fall like into a nice bump. So I'm going to add some loose curls with the wand right now, and we're going to finish her up. Remember to leave a like on this video, comment effort in the comment section if you made it this far in the video. And guys, we got some exciting content coming up, probably even funny content. So you guys need to stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed and keep watching till the end, because this came out cute. And in 2025, I'll be starting wig making class. You can learn how to make a wig from start to finish, how to customize the lace, how to do closures, frontals, 13x6s. Just leave a comment and let me know what state would be the first that you guys would want me to go to. These curls are gonna fall. She's gonna have this on for at least, I wanna say 3 weeks. You can make it last up to 6, some clients do. So if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below and I'll be sure to handle them for you. Remember, handlers, I have $5 membership every month. If you want in-depth questions to ask, or if you want me to show you something, it's only $5 a month to join membership, and I'll also start classes as soon as I have enough members. Thank you guys. Mwah. Happy New Year, and let's grow our channel this year, guys. Let's go up to the top. Let's get that plaque. Happy New Year, guys.